Sheriff's Office Canine, get on the ground now! I'll send my dog and he'll bite you!
Indian River County, Florida, October 28th to 29th, 2025.
All right, so did he try to break into this church?
No.
Two suspects attempted to break into an occupied residence.
The house
When
he tried to
law
break
enforcement
into was on,
arrived,
like,
they immediately fled on foot.
9th Avenue or 38th Avenue, just that
Okay.
way.
But you guys saw him running this way.
So one of our units saw both suspects at 16th and 36th.
Okay.
One gave up, one ran. Obviously, we got the one that gave up and the one that ran.
So
another unit saw him jump right there.
jump on that over that fence?
From 36, so he didn't follow over to...
So he was running this direction?
Yes.
So running westbound.
Yeah, and jumped right there.
All right. So let's
And like I said, there's a really solid assault. I believe right there, to me, looks like a step out of that ditch.
Gotcha.
And right here is right where he would have said that he saw him jump over. So my guess is he came over and stepped out. But I don't see any more, which is weird.
Right then. Sheriff's Office Canine, you are under arrest. Make your presence known now. I'll send my dog and he will bite you. Sheriff's Office Canine, this is your last warning. You are under arrest. Make your presence known now, or I'll send my dog and he will bite you. Sook.
Thanks to the K-9 unit and the drone team, one suspect was quickly apprehended, and the second was located shortly afterward. Further investigation revealed that both suspects are teenagers who had been listed as runaways. Excellent teamwork between the Indian River County Sheriff's Office and the Vero Beach Police Department to keep the community safe.
Sheriff's Office Canine, get on the ground now! I'll send my dog and he'll bite you!